back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be making the best ever chocolate brownies. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you will need one mixing bowl, a few measuring cups, approximately 1 cup of butter, 1.5 cup of chocolate chips. Since I didn't have chocolate chips, I'm using butterscotch chips, but they work the same magic. Approximately 2 cups of sugar. You will need about a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and approximately 1 and 1/4 cups of flour, and 1/3 cups of cocoa powder, and 3 eggs. First, you take that 1 cup of butter and you melt it in the microwave for a while. Once the butter is semi-melted, add your chocolate chips. Now give this mix a good whisk. Once your mixture has reached a smooth consistency where you cannot make difference from the chocolate chips and the butter, set it aside. Then begin preheating your oven to 350 degrees Celsius. The next step is to combine the 3 eggs, your granulated sugar, vanilla extract and salt and whisk them together. Once you're done whisking, your mixture should look a little bit like this. Now in this mixture, add 1/3 cup cocoa powder and 1 + 1/4 cup flour. In addition to that, add a pinch of baking soda and give it a good whisk. Add the butter and chocolate chip mixture in the big bowl and whisk it all together. Once you have mixed all your ingredients, your batter should have a good consistency just like this. The next step is to pour the batter in a baking tin lined with parchment paper. Once you have sprinkled the remaining chocolate chips, the dish is ready to go into the oven. Once your brownies are fully baked, they should look something like this. In order to test if they're properly cooked or not, you can poke a toothpick inside, and if it comes out runny, that means you can leave them in the oven for a bit longer. If not, that means your brownies are perfect. Allow it to cool and then cut it into pieces. You can eat it like this or serve it with some ice cream. Enjoy!